Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Arielle. This is where I do a little bit of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, thank you for sticking with me. Just like the title of this video, today we are doing a hair tutorial. So this video is sponsored by UNICE HAIR. So they sent me this beautiful package that I am actually going to share with you guys. We are going to go through it and we are going to start it together. I love the packaging. Like, this is, it is pretty, definitely pretty. Like, it was nicely sealed. Oh, okay, so we got it back. We still got it back after the box. We still had it back. That's it. The hair itself, we are gonna get into that in a little bit. Then we have some goodies here again, and one more. So let's start from the last one. Okay, so we got a mirror. Ooh, that's cute. I like it and love it. Okay, we have the HD cap, the hairband, eyelashes. That's nice. Let's see what this one is. Oh, that's a brush. Okay, nice, very handy actually. This is what we got. Okay, let's talk about the details of this that we have. Well, we're dealing with a lot of curls here, as you can see. Nice curl. Matter of fact, right out of the box, that's what it looked like. Ooh. Pre-cut hairline. So it is pre-cut. They have done the job already for us. It's all done, so it is all pre-cut. This is a 6x4 ish. This is, and as you can see, the edge is already pre-pluck as well. So we're talking about pre-cut lace and pre-pluck hairline. So they've done the whole job already. There is nothing here for you to do. Inside, here we go. We still have the clips. We have one on each side, and we still have one at the back right here. So you have a back one, and you have two on each side. Let's not forget the band, the adjustable band that we have here. And actually, if you wish to remove it, it is removable. That's what we have here, and it's adjustable as well. So it's, if you have a small scalp or a bigger one, easy. So adjustable band that we have, and is actually removable, just like I said. Here we go. We all need a light, like a very light cap on our head. The heat out there is unbelievable. Even though summer is coming to an end, it's still really hot. So UNICE have done it all for you. It is a breathable cap, no sweaty head. You know, sometimes it gets so hot that you just want to grab your hair and take it off. This is your solution right here, all done. So it is breathable. And also, let's not forget, this one right here is the one that sticks onto your skin and actually making another grip that we have right here this side if you choose to use your clips and the headband. And with this is three-way actually that you secure in your hair, like three-way. So you have one for this one, two, and three. All right, so let's see what it looks like first. Oh my god. Oh wow, I didn't even have to put anything. So literally all I did was to put the HD cap, zero work, in my hair. I'm impressed. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable, but true. So right now all I have is the HD cap. I added a little bit of powder just to match it to my skin, and this is how it came right out of a box. And let's go. See, there we go. Nothing was done. Zero work. 3-second install. So if you rush, running late, first time installer, this is your solution right here. And I have not done any work actually. Zero. Nada. So that's what I got. Okay. One thing I'm actually curious about. Since there is no glue, no gel, nothing, so how secure is this? Let's find out. Oh wow, I can actually fight with this. Nicely done. But now let's do some work. So here's the final result. All I have to do is just spray some water, just because it's a curly hair. So that's what we got. Beautifully done. Don't forget to check out the description box. I'll have a link in there. Now go grab your wear and go, like you need this, girl. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.